Good morning. Well, this morning I have some friends. These are the rainbow, whatever they're called. They're pretty looking. And they're just eating my bread on my porch. And there's another friend over here. This is Mr. Grumpy. He's carnivorous. He doesn't eat bread, but I'm gonna try to feed him anyways and see if he eats it. He's pretty grumpy. Come on, Grumpy. Stop. Just eat it. It's food. Mr. Grumpy, eat it. There you go. Come on. Come on. Just eat your food. It's bread. It doesn't hurt. Come on. Oh! Oh, he got grumpy. See that? He's puffing up his fur. He's grumpy. Hi, can I pet you, please? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Oh, just don't. He's gonna bite my fingers off. Ah! Kookaburra! Come on, speak. Speak for me, please. Speak? Whatever. He's grumpy.